What's good, sneakerheads? Back here with another one. In this video, I'm telling you guys about the giveaway. Just so you guys have something to look at while I'm talking. I got another pair of shoes right here. These released about a year ago. Never had this kind of shoe before, but it caught my eye and I just had to pull the trigger. So, not to mention, homeboy gave me a great price on them. And looks like he, made sure they weren't coming open either. So, homeboy Corey, make sure to check him out on eBay. His name's jcrewrubberboots right here. Pretty cool name. But, make sure to check him out. He's got a few things listed. These, they were like the best price for dead stock. So, I picked them up. Just going to open them with this because there's a lot of tape and I don't want to be sitting here for like an hour trying to cut into it. So, but after I get these open, I'm going to explain the giveaway, the reason for it. I mean, besides wanting to give back, and the reason why I'm doing this particular thing for it. So, let's get into this. There's a lot of tape in this. I really don't care about the box too much, but this is a huge box. So, alright. As you can tell, Way of Wade. Size 13 Way of Wades. Let me see here. How do you get, just normal open. I love this box. See, even though Way of Wade's like a Chinese company, originally I thought it was like some bootlegs. Like, why would he sign with Li-Ning when he could have signed with Nike or Adidas or something like that? It just didn't really make any sense. So I never bought a shoe from them, but from what I understand, because they're a smaller company, they put that little extra in on quality and everything else. And going by the box look, I can already tell the shoes are going to be amazing. So, let's get into it. First thing that I see, if I can grab them, are stickers. That's pretty cool. Second thing I see is a dust bag with my shoes in them. Oops. There's the dust bag. This is a really nice quality dust bag. This is thick. And I don't know if you can see the shoes in there or not, but I got the Way of Wade 5s in the iridescent all-star colorway. There's more stickers right there. When I saw these things, I just, it even has I love these things. These things are great. Put them in with your shoes if you're putting them in like a drop front box or something, if you have icy soles, which is probably the reason why these came with it. So, I probably shouldn't have thrown that. These are dead stock. I don't know. You probably tried them on or something. I'm not too worried about it because the price was amazing. They don't even look like they've been worn at all. So I'm glad that he didn't lie about that. But the price on these was great. And get that out of here. Here's a photo of them shining, because I know you want to see them shine. These things shine like a diamond, as corny as that sounds. So, actually, I'll put this one up. So, these released during All-Star Weekend last year. So, this time last year, actually. February, I think it was 18th or 19th or something like that. From what I understand, these are like super limited. Like, there was only like 300 pairs that released or something. I'm not really going to, hold true to that because I don't know. But, it's got the iridescent upper. It's perforated for breathability. I'm loving that little carbon fiber Way of Wade design thing right there. I thought that the soles might glow, but I don't think that they do. Let's check real quick. Oh, they do. They glow. That's awesome. I'll show a picture of the glow soles right here too. Best way to get, something to glow, get a little UV light. Perfect for it. So that just makes these even better. Iridescent, my favorite. Oil slick, anything like that, I absolutely love it. And to have a full upper like that, amazing. It's got all these little stars right here. It's got the same thing right there on the inside of the tongue. This has, a tongue booty in it. There's also all these stars on the inside right here. Like, I love this shoe. Like I said, it released, see, we got 17 on the back right there. It released during All-Star Weekend last year, even though Dwayne Wade wasn't part of the All-Star team. So, they broke his 12-year stride with that, but oh well. And this upper material is really thick. The quality of these feels great. I really do like Li-Ning now. We'll see how they look on feet and how they feel. Let's do that now, actually. Yeah, they do feel great. Look at the bottom of those things. I can see why he did it. He probably went to the company and probably scouted out a few of them and saw the quality on these and saw what they could do for him and went with it. The new ones, I'm not really liking the look of those. I don't see how those could be very good basketball shoes, but whatever. He's a really great basketball player, so he could make do with anything, really. So, all right, so now let's get in, while you guys look at this and peep this out, let's get into the giveaway. Now, this is directed towards YouTube. They've recently come out and said that they're changing their policies for their partner program and everything else. Originally, when you created a YouTube channel, you needed to get 10,000 views before they would check you out to be monetized, like review your channel and stuff like that. Well, probably because of Logan Paul, they've changed their policy again. So now you have to have X amount of views within 30-day period, which is no problem. I get that times 10, which, I'm just saying. And you also have to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers to become eligible for monetization. This starts February 20th. Now, my channel's growing, and thank you guys for that. The last time I checked, I had close to 300, I think. It was like 280 something. I might even be at 300. If I am, thank you. I love you guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button too, because want to get up there. Now, what I'm planning on doing is, when I reach 500 subs, I'm gonna create a Nike ID for that. Custom ID, says trademark kicks, 500 subs, all that stuff on there for me. Now, to kind of reach that 1,000 subscriber goal, I'm gonna do a giveaway. And I'm going to give away a pair of shoes. Not any of these, not worn or anything. These are going to be new and dead stock. Now, the idea that I had, and, I'll put up a poll for this, sometime to see, what you guys want. Because this is all about you. So, what I'm gonna do, for the 500 sub thing, I think I'm gonna put up a poll and have you guys design the shoe for me. See what model gets chosen over the other ones. Adidas, Nike, what model in those, and then put up another poll for the colorways, and whatever colorways get the most, votes, build it off of that. Excuse me. Now for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, what I'm planning on doing is doing 2 Nike IDs that are customized, that say trademark kicks, 1,000 subs, 1 of 1, 1 of 2, 2 of 2, whatever, 1 of 2, 2 of 2, on the shoes. Now I'm going to do kind of like a what the colorway, and this is all also going to be about you guys. I'm going to post a poll that you guys can decide what brand you want, what model shoe you want. Whatever gets the highest votes is what I'm going to do. And I may do the colorway, like I may choose the colorway, or I may have you guys choose the colorway. I'm not entirely sure about that one yet. I already have an idea of a shoe that I want to do, and it was kind of like I was testing the waters, and it came out really good. It was an Air Max. I think it was an Air Max 90. Again, sorry about, my head's stopped up like crazy right now. Dust is killing me. So, I think it was like an Air Max, but I did one pair all gold and black and the other pair all silver and black. And what I would do is when I receive the shoes, I'll switch out the left and the right. So that way one shoe will be gold, one shoe will be silver. I'll keep one pair and I'll give the other pair away. And I'll, of course, do like a random selection kind of thing. Maybe even through a third-party website. Whatever I feel would be the best to do, a giveaway that's fair. Now, when it comes to that giveaway, that's when we reach 1,000 subscribers. So for 1,000 subs, hopefully I'll have the shoes in by then. I'm going to try to get the polls up. I'll let you guys know when I post those. I'll put links in videos and, tell you about those. And follow me on social media too, because I'll tell you when the video is up what description to look at to be able to go do the poll. And you guys can decide, what brand, what model, what color, maybe, stuff like that. So, and we'll figure it out. The shoe is going to probably be a size 12, maybe 11 and a half, maybe a 13. I want to be able to wear it. But this is, I don't know. I mean, I could do it that way, or I could just, give away a shoe. Just put up a poll of what you guys want, or maybe just select somebody and then ask them what shoe they want and get them the shoe. It's up to you guys. I'll put a poll up, and you guys can vote on it and let me know. Let me know in the comments, is that a good idea? Is that something you guys would be interested in, doing kind of like a what the colorway? So I have one pair, you guys have another pair that's customized, trademark kicks. I thought it would be cool because you guys would be there for that milestone. You would have won a pair of wearable, nice sneakers that, even if you can't wear them, they'll be there and you can know, it'll have the box and everything. You'll know, I was there for this. This maybe one day we'll be at 1 million and you'll be like, I was here at 1,000, and maybe later on down the line, I'll get in contact with the winner. We could do a meetup or something, or we could do like a collection video or whatever else. So, let me know. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this. Tell me what you would want. It's all about you guys. I just want to reach 1,000 subscribers so I can keep my videos monetized and keep this content coming for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the sneakers. Let me know what you think about these. What do you think about Li-Ning? And what do you think about Dwayne Wade? I kind of dig him as a baller. So, follow me on social media. Links are in the description. I'm probably going to post a few links to the polls there, as well as some video descriptions to make sure that we can get a lot of people voting. I hope y'all have a good one. I'll see y'all next time. Got some fire kicks coming. Make sure to subscribe, please. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.